On the Health Watch, when you filed your taxes earlier this month, you might have found out you owed hundreds of dollars in penalty fees because you didn't have health insurance in 2014.
It's the law to be insured, and if you thought penalties for not having insurance were high last year, it's about to put an even bigger dent in your wallet.
Tara Pettit is here now with more on what you have to do to avoid that.
Brian, Janet, if you found out you owe money for not having health insurance, you still have one more day to get signed up for this year's coverage and avoid getting hit with more fines. There's been a lot of grief over the $95 tax penalty for people who were uninsured in 2014, but in reality, few people will pay that little, and many high-income South Carolina households who recently filed their 2014 taxes are now finding they owe thousands of dollars for not having health insurance.
It's been about 15 years since I last had health insurance.
Nicholas Johnson was in high school the last time he had health insurance.
It was expensive, and a lot of my employers didn't offer it.
The 33-year-old recently went through a medical situation that would have cost him thousands, but fortunately, he was able to get insured.
It took care of most of the bills that I otherwise would have taken care of myself.
We have seen this enormous benefits of the Affordable Care Act.
Joel Laurie, who owns a consulting firm, says statistics from March show that nearly 200,000 people in South Carolina have signed up for health insurance. That's double the amount of insured people in 2014.
It's had enormous impact here in this state.
The minimum penalty for not having health insurance more than triples for the 2015 tax year. Penalties start at $325 per adult or 2% of the household income, whichever is greater. Penalties for children in the household are $162 per child and up to $975 per household or 2% of the household income, whichever is greater. According to an online calculator created by the government website Tax Policy Center, a family of four with an income of about $71,000 would owe around $500 for 2014 and more than double that for the 2015 tax period.
If they don't have insurance, they end up in the emergency room. Everybody pays for that.
People who owe these penalties will see them deducted from their income tax refunds or added to their tax bills. And people like Nicholas Johnson are happy they won't get penalized or have to worry next time they head to the doctor's office.
Makes me feel really good. Gives me a peace of mind knowing that most of the bills will be taken care of, and if I need something done, I can get the help I need.
There are some exemptions for people who are not covered. To see a full list of those, log on to our website at WACH.com. And for everyone else, these fines are expected to only increase year to year. The minimum fine goes up to $695 in 2016. Live in this newsroom, Tara Pettit, Watch Fox News.